In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google account to Microsoft Authenticator in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to secure authentication apps or just looking for a bit of guidance, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, look to the upper right corner of the page for the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Google sign in page. Enter your Google account credentials, that's your email and password, and sign in. After you've signed in successfully, you'll land on the Google account homepage. This page is your hub for managing everything related to your Google account, from privacy settings to security options. Now, locate the waffle icon. It's a small grid of dots usually found in the upper right part of the screen, next to your profile picture. Clicking this will display a menu featuring various Google apps and services. In this menu, look for the Google Play icon and click on it. This will open the Google Play Store in your browser. The store is a vast repository of apps, games, and digital content ready for download. At this point, it's time to search for the Microsoft Authenticator app. In the Play Store's search bar, type in Microsoft Authenticator and hit enter. The search results will display apps relevant to your query. Find the official Microsoft Authenticator app within these results. It's easily recognizable with its blue lock icon. Once you've located the app, click on it to open the app's page. Here you will find more information about the app, user reviews, and the installation button. If everything looks good, click the install button. This begins the download and installation process. Depending on your internet speed and device, this may take a few minutes. During this time, ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. And there you have it, Microsoft Authenticator is now installed on your device. From this point, you can open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to add your Google account and secure your logins. The app uses two-factor authentication to provide an extra layer of security for your accounts, which is increasingly important in today's digital age. These steps should make it easy for you to seamlessly integrate your Google account within the Microsoft Authenticator app, thereby enhancing your online security and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.